in this video I'm going to share with you tips that people ignore. Very simple things that people ignore that their channel are suffering from it. Even very big channels are making the same mistake. Please, if you are someone that is new to YouTube and then you are starting out, you can't afford to make these mistakes. Stay tuned and I will share with you these very simple mistakes that people make and their channel is remaining small. Number one, when you are creating your video, make the first 30 to 60 seconds impossible for people to skip. This is very, very important to the algorithm because the algorithm is looking for videos that will make people stay, not videos that will make people stay on your channel, videos that will make people stay on YouTube. So the moment people see your video, they click on it and they run away very fast, it is going to drop that video from people's feed because it wants video that people love and they will stay with it. So you need to create a video that the beginning compels people to stay for at least 60 seconds. This way, your video is going to do exceptionally well. So when you are creating video, what do? Focus on the beginning of the video. Focus on what you are saying at the beginning of the video. This is the reason why I tell people that starting up a video, you have to tell people what they are going to gain from that video. The same way I did in this video. And in fact, that's the reason why you're watching this video to this moment. Tell people what they are going to gain. Tell people what they are going to get from the video they are about to watch. It helps them understand that this video I'm going to watch is valuable, so let me watch it to the end. And this way, they watch your video for a longer period, and this shows the algorithm that your video has value. Your video has something that people likes, and then it pushes it more to other people. Then the second thing, which is very simple and people are doing it, is a mistake that both big channel and small channel are making every day that is costing them views and the rest of those things. This mistake is posting anytime they want. They post whenever they want. Even though they are consistent with their upload, they are consistent with the time they post, they don't check the analytics to check when their audience are awake. So you need to post when your audience are awake. You cannot be posting by 9 a.m. when you are posting for people that are workers, people that are civil servants, they are working for the government or for private industries. They have to go to work in the morning. So by 9 a.m. they are busy. So you need to understand that the audience you have determines when you post. Because everybody is posting by 5 p.m. doesn't mean you should post by 5 p.m. What if what you are posting is for people who have evening jobs and then by 5 p.m. they are actually busy, but by 9 a.m. they are not busy, they are looking for something to do. So you need to understand your audience in the first place, and then you post when they are awake, not when they are busy, not when they are sleeping, not when they have something else doing, when they are ready to watch. This is when you post. And this is the reason why it is very, very important that to check your analytics, check the performance of the past videos so that you can readjust in further videos that you do. I tell you that many people ignore this, they don't do these things, they just sit down in front of the camera, they make videos, spend 4 days, 5 days editing the video, and at the end of the day they post it and they don't even go back to check the analytics. And they post it and post it again, and after they might have posted 20 videos, they are out already, they are tired, they don't want to continue, they'll be like, YouTube is a scam and all of that. You need to follow the rules. You can't just be posting. You can't just be dropping videos and going to make another one and be dropping videos. You need to follow the rules. And one of the rules is that you check the analytics and check when your audience are awake, and then you post when they are awake. Now, the third one that many people are doing that is affecting their channel that they don't know, they are not even aware of it, is not commenting on other people's posts. People just show up when they want to post video, and then when they post the video, they go off again. They post and they ghost. So they post and go off, they post, they disappear. They don't try to check their niche to get people who are posting about the same thing to comment. This affects many channels, and if you do this, your channel will take time before it actually grows. It is going to take longer period to grow. This is why I need you to be able to go and search for people that are in your niche. Sometimes it is more advantageous if you can search for people that are above you. Maybe you have 10,000 subscribers. You are going to search for people that have maybe 100,000 subscribers. If you have 100 subscribers, search for people that have maybe 10,000 subscribers, and then drop comments, valuable comments in their comment section. What happens is that people are going to see the comment, and then they see the value that is found within the comment that you just dropped. And what happens to their mind is that they are saying, oh, this person has value that I can draw from, so let me go check their channel. And then they check your channel, and then they watch your videos, and then this gives a very positive signals to the algorithm, and then the algorithm begins to promote your video. This way your video goes viral. This way your video goes to more audience, and your video begins to do well. This is why it is very important that you comment on other people's posts. Don't just come to YouTube to upload. Don't come to YouTube and just watch videos. You need to comment on other people's videos so that you can be visible. Comment on other people's video so that you can be visible. Then number 4, which is the mistake that people are making, it is very simple, but a lot of persons are not using it. It is the 3-hook rules. On YouTube, you must use the 3-hook rules. The first one is the first hook, the retention hook. The first hook that people, after clicking your video, they are forced to watch your video for the first 30 seconds. They are forced to watch your video for the first 30 seconds because of the things you say, because of the value you are giving to them. They are forced to watch your video for the first 30 seconds. Then the second hook is after they might have watched your video for the first 30 seconds. It is when you do introduction and then you tell them what they are about to gain in the video. Then the next step, you are going to start introducing what you told them that they were going to get. So you introduce what you told them that they were going to get. And at the end of the day, they are actually saying that what you told them is true. Because the moment you begin to do your presentation, you begin to tell them the things that you promised in the first place, you realize that they are forced to stay because they are seeing what you told them they were going to get. For example, you are making video on how to cook spaghetti. At the first instance, you start by telling people, okay, today I want to teach you how to cook spaghetti, a delicious one that your husband will like, and your husband is going to love you for 200 years. Well, that's not true, but let's make it an example, right? So people are going to watch that video so that they can learn how to cook spaghetti that will make their husband love them more. But when you begin to make the actual presentation of the steps to cook spaghetti, and what you are saying is not true, what you are saying is not correct. Maybe you say, okay, put your pot on fire, add Maggi, maybe like 500 cubes of Maggi. People are going to skip. They are going to run away because it seems like you want to pursue their husband from that, right? So you need to make sure that your presentation is actualizing the promise you made in the first instance. And then the third type of hook is the one that the presentation itself is actually actualizing the promise that you've made. And after the presentation has actualized the promise that you've made, the end now gives room for them to go to another of your video. This keeps them hooked on your channel. And I tell you that this will make the algorithm love you so much. The algorithm will love you so much that it cannot see your video and pass it by. It can't see your video and not push it to other people to see it. It will always be pushing your videos. When people can watch your video from the beginning due to the first hook, they watch it to the middle, and then they watch it to the end, it will make the algorithm to push more of your video to more people because it senses that there is value in your video. This is the reason why the 3-hook system is very important for every creator, both small and big. And then there's the last thing I want to talk about in this video. It is very simple and important. But before then, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel because I am dropping videos that will help you build your channel up, whatever your channel is about. I tell you things that make you build your channel up so that other people can find it easily, so that the algorithm can be in love with your channel. That is what we do here on this channel. So subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you have subscribed, please hit the like button so that other small creators and big creators can get to see this video. And also in the comment section, if you feel like dropping a question for me to answer, or you want to drop a topic for me to talk about in the next video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will be right there to talk about it in the next video. So the last thing I want to talk about that is very simple that people are ignoring is treating every video like YouTube has promised that one will go viral. When people begin to post, there is this encouragement that they have in the first place that YouTube, I'm going to get monetized, I'm going to get clients for my business, I'm going to get this, I'm going to get that. But when reality hits, when their video begins to go there and then they have the 10th video, they have 15 video on the channel and the videos are having 27 views, they're having 30 views, these people begin to lose courage. And at the end of the day, they don't spend more time editing video again, they don't spend more time editing the thumbnails, they don't care about the titles, and you realize that the moment that their video is supposed to start doing well, the video is not going to do well up to the extent it is supposed to do well. And the reason is because the courage has dropped, the encouragement they have from the onset has dropped, and this will affect their channel. So when you create a channel on a particular niche, make sure that you retain the encouragement, the passion that you started creating with, so that the moment that is meant for your video to start doing well, your video will do exceptionally well. I tell people that how you start don't even end how you start. End more better than you start. Make sure that every video you ever post on your channel should be good. Every video you ever post on your channel should be good. With this, I promise you, the channel is going to do well. So like I said, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, and if you have not liked the video, like the video and drop your question in the comment section. And if you are guilty of any of these things that I've mentioned, please drop in the comment section. Let us all learn from ourselves. I will also come to the comment section and then reply to as many comments as I can and answer as many questions as I can. In case you are interested in building your channel very fast and very authentically, I am going to be creating videos as often as I can to help you. So right now, the video that is showing on the screen is going to help you build your channel even more. See you right there.